Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Steffi Fernandez here, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to paint Courage the Cowardly Dog step by step. And when I mean step by step, I actually mean step by step. The only times I will be fast forwarding is when I fill in or do outlines that are already technically there. A character like this takes me about 10 minutes. For every beginner, it might take longer, but please do not be discouraged. Follow every step that I do, and I promise you, you will get the same character. If anyone has watched me on the previous channel I was featured on, Nail Nails, for the last year, I have been preaching that nail art is doable if you break down whatever you copy into shapes to make your life easier. So I'm going to explain verbally what I'm doing while I'm doing it, and visually you'll be able to, of course, see, and hopefully you guys can recreate this nail and join me on future tutorials. So yes, guys, let's get cracking. I'm gonna start by doing the background first. I prefer personally doing the background first because sometimes it can be quite tricky painting around the character, especially if it's not like a smooth shape or it's got a lot of line work, etc. I'm gonna be using Skyscraper from Glitterbels for this one. I'm going to apply one coat, cure, and then go in with the second coat. Once both layers are cured, I'm going to go ahead and apply Bang On by Glitterbels just on the bottom half of the nail. Make sure I apply it evenly and then get my gel brush ready. Without curing the product, I'm just going to feather some of the gel upwards. I'm not looking for a perfect ombre, just a messy kind of ombre for a cool effect for our background. Once the nail is curing, I'm going to prep my palette and load my brush with pink. I'm going to be painting two lines diagonally, making sure they're parallel and there's enough space in between. I'm then going to connect the edges of both lines with a curved line. This will give me something that looks like the shape of a pill. I'm going to paint a upside down U shape, just connecting it to the pill that we painted earlier. And of course, I'm going to break it down into sections. Doing that will just make my life easier. Once this is painted, I'm going to add two lines at the bottom, and this is our basic shape ready to work from. Using the same pink as the outline, I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the shape, refine it, and then cure. Remember the two lines we painted earlier? Imagine there is a line in between and start mapping out hands going towards that line. Make sure you paint it light-handed so the lines won't appear too thick. I'm going to start mapping out the nose in the center. Now this is going to be a shape of a triangle, just with curved edges. I decided to go back in and add a little section for the nose. Don't worry too much about the line work, we're going to fill in that nose later. I'm going to start mapping out the eyes. For that, you want to paint two very deep U shapes, followed by a line at the top for the eyebrows. Now that the main lines are mapped out, you can go ahead and just outline the rest of the character. I'm going to go ahead and fill in both eyes with white. I'm just going to go in and add a little bit more detail to complete the hands. Once I flash cured it all, I'm going to go back in with chocolate milkshake and just add those ears and fill in the nose. Using black, I'm going to add a couple of dots in the center of each eye and then do some line work to add some more details, tiny lines that look like veins. After flash curing, I'm going to add some detail with the color called Feeling Nutty from Glitterbels. Just add a little bit of highlight on the nose as well as highlight on the ears. To finish up, I'm just gonna add a few dots here and there for the background, followed by my favorite part, which is top coating. And this is it, you guys. Courage, the Cowardly Dog, done in about 10 minutes, 12 minutes with all the editing, etc. Now, I'm going to do so many more characters. Anyone who knows, I am a fanatic when it comes to nail art, and I love finding ways that will help you guys, learn it quicker. So, I'm going to do a lot more videos, break it down so you can fully join in and paint with me. So if there's any other characters that you'd like to see or any other things that you want to paint, like leaves or faces or anything that you struggle with, leave me a comment down below and I will do my best to create a tutorial for you. But yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you all on the next one. Take care.